guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you for watching. And guys, if you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. As you can see, I already went ahead and did my brows off camera. I have a updated brow routine. I will link it in the description box down below, bless you. So be free to go ahead and check it out. So guys, I'm going to go in and start out. So I'm going to be using two palettes. I'm going to be using my Juvias Zulu palette along with my Morphe 35O2 palette, and I'm going to just create a look and see how it comes out. So first, I'm going to go into my Zulu palette and I'm going to grab this pink shade and use it as my transition shade. As you can see guys, when I'm doing my shadows, I try to start at the end. So if I have like excessive amount of product on the brush, then if I put it to the end, it's easier to distribute, rather than if I put it to the middle, then you don't want it to be too, have too much. So you want to go from outwards to inwards instead of inward to outward. So you start the shadow from the outside. I'm going to go into my Morphe 35O palette, and I'm going to go in with this red shade, which is Fire. So I'm going to use that. This brown shade, which is Brick, so I'm going to use that next. I'm going to go in with this black shade, which is the blackest shade, which is Wiz, and I'm going to use this to deepen the outer and inner corner. Shade to put in the center, so it's bronze. It's a bronze shade, and it's called bronze. It's called bronzy. Okay. So I'm going to take this bronzy shade. This shade bronzy. two favorites, my two favorite foundations, which this one is the Maybelline Fitme and this one is the Mary Kay Sign White. So I have to mix both to get my correct shade. Contour using the black Radiance concealer stick. Revolution baking powder, and it's in the color banana or shade, whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and bake all the areas that I've highlighted. Fix too, and I'm going to use that to set the contoured areas, and then I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal to set my entire face. So now I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal True Match powder, and I'm going to use the shade C6, and I'm going to use it to dust off my baking and also set my entire face. Using the NYX Chestnut lip pencil. Now the lippy that I'll be going in with is the Anastasia liquid lipstick. guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.